You really think this is gonna work?
Well, if we're going to control your power, it's the first step.
You're the doctor. So, what am I wearing here?
That's a Soviet prototype deep-sea suit. The project was abandoned months ago, so I borrowed it. How does it feel?
It's okay. It's, strange. I don't know, like it's molding to my body and expanding somehow.
Well, it is. There's a layer of reactive insulation next to your skin. The suit can handle the pressure of high velocity, and it will regulate your body temperature.
Well, listen, my skin isn't affected by speed. Do I really need to wear this thing?
Well, as your clothes keep falling apart, it's either this or you can run buck naked.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, put this communicator in your ear. Okay. Okay, Barry, whenever you're ready. Barry, can you hear me?
Yeah. What's my velocity?
Holding at 480. Can you go any faster? 530, 570, 620. Be careful, Barry, you're about to cause a sonic boom. Barry? Barry, please answer me.
Sorry, my ears were ringing. I think I'm starting to like this.
I envy you. How does it feel?
See for yourself.
Barry, what are you doing?
Sorry. I got carried away. Or you did, I guess.
Your breathing's regular. Your pulse is, too.
Yeah, I guess my body's adapting, like you said.
Oh, how did the suit hold up?
Well, great. You know, for the first time, I felt like I was really in control, like everything was working together.
Well, don't get too confident. We've got a lot more testing to do. Barry? Barry? What's wrong? Okay, put your head between your legs and breathe deeply. I'm gonna go get some oxygen.
No, wait. I'm okay. What was that?
Dehydration, perhaps, or glucose deficiency. But I think we should get back to the van and check you out.